Here's an oldie but goodie. You Look Wonderful Tonight by Eric Clapton. I'll play it in the key of E. I only play a little bit because this is a long song. It's late in the evening. She's wondering what clothes to wear. She puts on her makeup and brushes her long brown hair. And then she asks me, do I look alright? And I say yes, you look wonderful tonight. I feel wonderful because I see love right in your eyes, and the wonder of it all is that you just don't